What is up, everybody? So today I'm talking to my real estate entrepreneurs looking to make better return on investments on their marketing dollars. I know how it can be spending marketing dollars and not receiving an ROI, not getting the sales you want, not getting the leads you want, not getting the quality of leads you want, the pipeline. My name is Raul Bulufit, by the way. I'm a wholesaler, real estate investor. I'm really just helping people make money online only using Wi-Fi and wholesale and beyond. Okay, and we currently spend probably in the ballpark of about $30,000 a month in marketing. So we understand that if we don't get our ROI, our month is screwed, our quarter is screwed, and we don't get to make the money I want to make, and that is not fun. So the main thing that stops people from getting the ROI on marketing is not that they're bad at marketing. It's just that you're not spending the money in the right places to get the highest ROI for your niche business. Okay. Different marketing channels work for different businesses. And for wholesale or real estate investing or even real estate listings, if you're an agent or a broker listening to this, this can apply to you. So I'm gonna share with you the 5 best marketing platforms that we currently use. Actually, we don't use one of them, but I'm going to share with you the 5 best ones that we've tested across the board. And I'll share with you that in a second. But I want you to take a step and think, if you're spending money on marketing, or if you know somebody that's doing it, and you're not getting the return on investment, this could be really annoying and frustrating, stressful, because this is real money, right? When the marketing source pulls that money out of your bank account, if you're sending mail or if you're doing like Facebook ads or pay-per-click ads, and that is removing that from your bank account, it hurts and you're not making it, and you start talking to quality leads. And what happens is then you don't make the money you want to make, right? You're spending it, you don't make the money you want to make. So you're not able to keep enough money, or you're not able to hire salespeople to be able to answer these leads, or that your salespeople aren't making enough commission, and you can't scale, you can't grow. You're not able to pull yourself out of the business and live that freedom life that we all want. And this is annoying. And I know that marketing is just one of these problems, but it's pretty big, right? Not being able to hire people, not being able to buy more properties from your marketing. Because if you produce marketing, that means you can produce leads. That means you can do whatever you want with those leads. You can wholesale and make a ton of cash. You can list them and make commission income. You could also buy them. You could buy them, fix them, and sell them. You could buy them and rent them. You could buy them and sell or finance them out. So there's so many things you could do, but if you're not doing the right marketing, it sucks. Like, you cannot get there faster. Okay? So I'm here to share with you the 5 best marketing strategies that we have been using. Number 1, you have text messaging or SMS campaigns or broadcasts. Some of these can get gray, right? Texting, and the other ones I'm going to share can be a little gray area, like, oh, aren't you bothering people? And like, isn't it illegal? Consult with your attorney because every state is different. However, text messaging is a great way to get your foot in the door at a very inexpensive cost, okay? You buy a list, you buy phone numbers, and then you send them SMS that are not intrusive, okay? So a text of ours sounds like, hey Raul, or hey John, my name is Raul. I'm not sure if you're interested in selling or not, but we're purchasing houses for cash in that area. Does that interest you at all? ? Something like that, okay? Something that's not intrusive. So texting, SMS is a great way to get in front of leads. Cold calling. I love cold calling because it's not going to go away ever as long as phones exist, okay? It might be hard, it might be challenging, but there's 2 ways you could do cold calling. You can either hire inexpensive people overseas for them to do it for you, or you can hire or get somebody to do it locally or in America for commission only, okay? We've done both, and there's benefits and pros and cons to each. Those are 2 ways. That's cold calling without you doing it. You could do it, but you're not watching this video to do cold calling, right? I'm not going to help you do that. So you can either hire inexpensively overseas or somewhere else. RVM, which is what they call ringless voicemail or voicemail broadcast. What that is basically you get a voice note, a voice message on your phone, you open it, you listen to it, and it sends something like, hey, my name is Raul. I'm not sure if you have a property for sale or not, but we're cash buyers looking to purchase homes in that area. If you're interested in selling, press 1. Beep, you press 1, it'll go to something different. That's one way of doing it. Basically, ringless voicemail is beautiful because it allows you to get in front of people quickly and very, very inexpensive, okay? It's very cheap how much it costs you to do that. Direct mail. So let's review real quick. So we got text, cold call, RVM. Now we're going to direct mail. Before we get into the last two, I just want to stop one quick second. If your sales process is not good, if you or your salespeople do not know how to handle these leads correctly or go through like a good sales process, that's going to hinder a lot of your results. And I have videos about sales process, but I just want to throw that in there. No matter how good you are in marketing, if you or your people are not handling the sales good, it's a really easy fix. That's the good news. You just say a couple different lines or there's a couple different questions, you follow the script. But if that's not happening, your results can also hinder as well. So I just want to throw that in there. Direct mail. Direct mail is beautiful. It's not going away. It's a done-for-you marketing. Like, you don't have to hire callers or hire texters or get people to filter the RVMs. You just find the list of people you want to mail. You mail it out through a mail house. You wait for the calls to come in. And typically the calls are more motivated. So that's a nice one. The last one that we have personally not done, but I know it's a great marketing source, is TV advertising. If you really have a hefty marketing budget and you're looking to get in front of people, get a lot of visibility, get credibility, if you're looking to be in the game for a long time, TV is awesome. I think it's something we're going to do very, very soon here. I'd encourage you to find a good TV buyer that knows what they're doing, so you don't spend a ton of money, advertising to the wrong people or not. But so those are the 5 sources to get you the best ROI on your marketing dollars, be able to buy more houses, do more listings, achieve the freedom you want to achieve. So if you're looking to learn a little bit more about how to virtually real estate or how to wholesale real estate in general, you can follow me on my website. I have a ton of free stuff, raulbalufa.com, my YouTube channel. And feel free to DM me if you like this, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace.